Hi, Lee Garver, Door Hardware Simplified. I'd like to talk about mortise locks. Mortise locks is a type of lock set that's used in the commercial industry as far as for heavy-duty, high-frequency use applications. The mortise lock is quite a bit different than the cylindrical lock or board-type lock that we know of, where the cylinder is installed in the lever and the latch bolt connects to the chassis. Or it's different than the unit lock, or what we refer to as the pre-assembled lock, where this lock comes out of its box and simply is installed in a cutout in the door for that notch. The mortise lock, as you'll see, comes with many different components. It has the mortise body that we are showing now. It has escutcheon type trim plates or rose plates that fits on the outside and the inside of the door. It comes with its levers, the outside lever, the inside lever. Together they're connected through a through spindle onto the door through the mortise lock case itself, as well as a separate cylinder. So as opposed to a cylindrical lock, these pieces are all disassembled when it's in the box, and it has to be assembled in the door properly and in a correct manner. Of course, using the manufacturer's standard fasteners that comes with it. It also comes with a strike plate. Once the lock set is installed in the door, the strike is simply installed on the jamb to allow the latch bolt to simply engage into that strike. You'll notice on this mortise lock set that there are a lot more parts associated to it, and the parts are heavier duty, more massive, because of the type of applications that this lock is designed for. You will have the hubs where the spindle passes through. They're spring loaded to power the lever that's in this lever so it doesn't sag or droop. We have the latch bolt, we have the auxiliary deadlocking latch, and it also, depending on the function that you decide to install, will have a deadbolt. So primarily those are the functions, and these are the internal parts or mechanisms that's made into it. This is the mortise lock case that you would get from the manufacturer. By installing it into a pre-assembled door already prepared for this mortise lock, you'll notice that the mortise lock simply engages into the edge of the door, into the cavity that was designed to receive that mortise lock. Once that's in place, you then are able to install your escutcheons or outside trim, being an escutcheon or a rose type trim. This particular sample has an escutcheon trim. If you'll notice that this door is prepped for that plate to simply install on it. It has a place for the cylinder to be installed through. It also has an inside plate that fits on the inside of the door, so it's a matching escutcheon type. Once all this is installed and the cylinder is screwed in to the lock set, then you're able to fasten this lock and secure it in its place. Once that's completed, we install the final item, and this is called a faceplate or a scout, and that simply covers up all of the fasteners and the screws that are used in putting that lock on the door. Thank you, and for more information about mortise locks, cylindrical locks, and other door hardware devices, please visit doorhardwaresimplified.com.